A great charter like the Monforte III looks effortless out on the water, but every vessel has a story behind the scenes. Today, we're walking through her right before she heads in for her yearly maintenance. Salt, sun, and sea take their toll. She's had a busy season, and right now she needs some serious love. From the deck hardware down to the systems you never see, keeping a boat pristine requires constant, dedicated care. That's why real hands-on inspections matter. You can't judge seaworthiness from a glossy photo online. You have to get on the boat, walk the deck, and check the details yourself to know what's truly safe and ready for guests. She's heading in for the full works now, because when she comes back out, nothing less than complete safety and top-tier standards will do. Know your boat, know your standards. Book her on www.arubabestcharters.com for an amazing experience.
I'm Capt. Paul, and I walk the docks, so you don't have to gamble on your vacation.